world full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Sarah Pretty. Thank you all so much. Thank you. I really appreciate all my subscribers, my old and new subscribers. You guys are super amazing. All right, are you just seeing this face for the first time? My name is Sarah, and if you know you have not yet subscribed to this YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. On this video, on this YouTube, we film about flat tummy, beauty and lifestyle. Okay, all right guys, so on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys something very important. Have you ever tried to use a smoothie, already made green smoothie? Have you ever tried to use it? The weather is so bad. Have you ever tried to use it, guys? This cold time, the weather, everyday weather is so bad. So it's cold time, it's like this, okay? So guys, have you ever tried this smoothie, already made smoothie? So I went to the supermarket yesterday, where you can get all your natural ingredients, your natural food, everything natural, 100% organic natural, and the name of the supermarket is called Picard. This smoothie, you can get it in Picard. I don't think it's a normal supermarket like all these a penny, you know, those normal one. I don't think so, but I've not looked for it. But I saw this yesterday. I was like, what? I'm going to test it out. I'm going to check this organic already made smoothie. And yeah, so I decided to share with you guys, to try with you guys, in case you love and you want to try it out, you can try it out as well. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys blended and 100% natural smoothie, green frizzy smoothie. Okay, so the things that is inside is spinach. I'm sorry guys, I'm looking at it. The things that is inside: spinach, apple, melon, grapes, a lot. You guys, a lot of things are here. I can't wait to test it out. So I'm going to show you guys. Can you guys see everything that is inside? This is everything that is inside, and it's a lot. Okay, so I'm going to, just the way I read it, the way to prepare it, yeah, I'm going to do it now so we can drink and taste. Let's see the taste. I've not done it, I've not tried this before, my first time, but yeah, let's see the taste. Okay, so guys, this is what we are going to do. So this is my smoothie. I'm going to open it. I've opened it before, because you have to leave it in freezer. So I'm going to be putting a little bit into my mini blender. Make sure you wash your hands before you do anything. Okay, so this one is what I can take, because I don't know the taste yet. So they said the next thing I'm going to be putting my, can you guys see, 100% vegetable. Okay, it's vegetable man in Italy, vegetalia. Okay, so 100% milk. Okay, I'm going to be adding my soya light 100% organic milk, just to blend it out. Okay, just to blend it out. Oh my goodness, this is going to be great, man. I can't wait to test it. So I'm going to add it to my blender. So guys, this is my smoothie. It's ready. So I'm going to be putting it in my cup. Let's see. Oh my god, this is how it looks like. So add it to my cup. Is this going to be great? Guys, you have to try this out. You have to try it out. Let's see if it's going to be great. I'm going to add my onion, because I don't know. Let's add onion. Yeah. I'm done with it now. Let's see how it's going to look like. Let's see. I had onion. Onion is 100%, guys. Wow, guys, this is great. This is good. This is so good. Oh my goodness. I can't believe this. This is so sweet. This is so sweet, guys. I've never seen something like this. Like, I've never come across something like this. Ever since I started this flat tummy on YouTube, I've never believed it. Like, can you see it? In case if you want to get it, this one is so great. For me to go to buy flat tummy, I will just be buying this one and drink now. If not for video what they do for YouTube, spending money. I will just buy it, and it's very cheap. It's really good, and it's healthy as well. It has a lot of benefit. It contains weight. It helps with weight loss. It helps with flat tummy. It helps with a lot, and it's healthy. Oh my God, this one is so good. Alright guys, so we are going to be ending this video now. Thank you all so much for coming. Thank you all so much for watching. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, so whenever I upload a video, you will be the first to be notified. Alright guys, compliment of the season is almost Christmas